back. If you guys are familiar with the OC Irvine area, you guys already know where we are. But we finished up at 3 Spoke. I didn't really vlog out there because, you know me, I don't like vlogging when there's a lot of people around and I don't need to get into it. Yeah, we're just here getting some grub because we haven't eaten breakfast all day, and you have this guy in front of me.
It's so bright out today.
It's super bright, dude.
Assemble the Avengers.
The Avengers are here, guys. Where's your car?
Right here, bro. What the fuck you mean?
Oh, my bad.
Fuck you mean, bro?
Oh, dude.
Get in your car, get in your car.
You got $80?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's so bright out here. Sorry if I'm squinting, bro. I can't even see.
What do you mean?
That's just how I look, actually. You know,
Yeah,
he's just racist, guys.
My bad, reach here.
This is not supposed to walk. It's okay. It's fine. Turn here. Oh, fuck, you know. Now back up straight. Back up straight. There you go. Perfect. What's one of my vlogs if we don't stop by Asher's house? So,
On his car.
yeah. It's been through some more changes and it looks more complete now. Asher has now the front bumper, both of the headlights on. This is new, right?
That's a new headlight.
Brand new headlight. And then you fixed this one too. And then he got this fixed as well. Got the old fender repaired. So, car's all in one piece.
Fits like shit though.
It's a little too close or what?
It's too far out.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, yeah, a little bit. Asher was able to fix the fitment of the hood. Do you want to show them, Asher, how the hood fits now?
Oh, yeah. When I last showed you guys, the hood was super off on this side. And if you see, it's still not sitting like down. And I had to adjust the bump stop so if there's pressure, it's lifted all up here.
He removed the hood strut so it's able to fit flusher, and then he adjusted the bump stop so it fits a lot more flush. The hood is unfortunately still a little bit warped, but I mean, it's not as bad as we saw last time. It was pretty gnarly last time. It's pretty much ready for its new color and to get wrapped. But I like what you did with the place, with the new Nabori flags. I like this one. It's my favorite Nabori right here.
Yeah, don't you love this one, bro?
Dude, you know that you can stick it on your car too?
Oh yeah.
Dude, it's dual purpose.
Hey, this still hasn't fallen. That's a good sign.
Yeah. Today, I need to lift the whole front of the car, take out the skid plate, inspect everything. Does still have a lot of alignment issue problems, and I don't know if it's because maybe my steering rack is damaged. Other than that, yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
Supra? Does it work?
Oh yeah, it does work.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Knock your camera over.
No, is it good? Oh, we're chilling.
My turn.
Oh yeah, your turn.
Is it going down, guys?
Why not?
Keep doing it. I'm almost done.
Almost there.
You're gonna drop it?
This side, I'll drop it another inch.
Why is it too high for you?
Yeah, because it doesn't match my rears. Yeah.
It's so hot today.
There.
Going up again.
Getting up there, huh?
I put the jacks in and I'm so lazy.
God damn it. Get out of the code. Oh shit. Are you actually gonna lower it like this?
Yeah. No way. No, I've done it before. That's proper shit right there. Be a little lower.
I thought I said it was good. It's been a pretty productive day here, to say the least. Car is raced all around, and we've removed most of the body panels like the bumper and rear diffuser, because this car is getting ready to be wrapped. Coming back to life, guys. It's a great thing to see. It's in June 20th, so it's been a little over a month.
Yeah, almost 2 months.
Almost about to be 2 months next week. So you know, I don't even know what to say. We are going to be wrapping Asher's car today. I have very little to no experience. I used to wrap taillights, like tint them like with black dark tint when that was a thing. Asher, do you have some sort of experience when it comes to wrapping?
A little bit, but nothing crazy. Like I haven't done any bumpers. Anything that has like aggressive lines, never done it.
This is the color that Asher's going for. He's going back to his roots and doing white. I tried my best, guys. Trust me. I wanted him to do black. I know he's gonna regret it, so it's fine. I mean, can't go wrong with either white or black, so either's a good choice. We got Nick here today, chowing down right after work. Looks pretty good, a little bunny.
Pretty good, bro.
And Alec is right here. He's gonna be helping out and pretty much being the master rapper today. How many cars have you wrapped?
That's my first time.
That's crazy. Yeah, he has the Chalk gr86 if you've seen in the videos, and he's wrapped that car entirely, and he's also wrapped it white before, so he has good experience with wrap, so he's gonna be the one helping out today. Some experience. I have Alec here to help support and mainly do most of the heavy lifting, I feel like. Yeah, just gonna be learning through him. Guys, also, if it seems like I'm groggy, I am. I literally just woke up from a 5-hour nap, like even 6 hour. I literally got home from work at like 12. I didn't really get much sleep last night, so I just completely knocked out. Woo! Thank you. Thanks for the matcha, man. Even though this isn't really my official order, because my ass was asleep when he was taking order. But I'll take it. Ube matcha, you can't go wrong. Familiar with aroma. Shameless plug, by the way.
How do you pronounce it? Is it aroma or aroma?
Aroma is like the most common pronunciation I hear. What do you think of it since you've had it already?
I like it.
Yeah?
I was recommended by a friend, so.
Ah, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I had the strawberry one now.
It's fire. Is that, what would you rate that? Because Steven's a recent matcha connoisseur.
Recent.
Very recent. So
I'd
what
say
would
this
you
is probably the best
Yeah.
strawberry matcha
Okay.
that I've had out of like the limited places that I've gone
Been
to.
to so far? Yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys have any more recommendations for Steven to go to, let him know right now in the comments. Because this guy is starting to enjoy his
Really
matcha
enjoy
now.
matcha.
First time polishing a rusted. Oh fucking hell! Oh no!
Working. There you go, Garrett. It's doing something.
Community help.
No, for real.
All right, your turn.
My turn.
Ooh! All right, guys. I haven't wrapped ever, so let's go give this a shot. Not bad, huh? Huh?
Good, man. Good, man.
Not bad, huh? Alec is reviving my wrap attempt. just doing the corners and cutting it, because honestly, if I cut it, that's usually where I fuck up. And I kind of put a lot of effort into this, so I don't know.
Good. This is good.
It's decent, right? Not too bad. There were some big creases earlier, but I used the heat kind of smoothing it all out, and it's like literally you can't even notice where it was. But the only thing is, like with wrapping, it's like the corners, you don't want it to lift up over time, so it's really important that you get the corners as best as possible. But like I said, I have no experience in wrap. We gotta let the master handle the rest. Is that it?
I need a light.
Like, what's up, old light?
Ooh!
I need a fucking.
Hell yeah, bro. Look at that, Asher. I honestly did not expect for mine to turn out like decently well, but it passes. Like, that's pretty solid.
Good, bro.
I'll like cut it because I probably would have fucked it up cutting it, but look at that.
Dude, Alec, you did such a good job on this
Hey,
one, bro.
I did that.
Yeah,
No, fuck you. Yeah. Not bad. I honestly was like not expecting it to actually work out, but it's on the car now. Like deadass, I was like
expecting, man?
I was just like, oh, let me give it a shot. But damn. I know it's probably an easy part, but that's pretty cool. Hey, yeah, look at him. Look at all the progress Garen's made, man. Really all hands on deck here at Asher's place. We got Garen polishing the front bass bar. Steven's cleaning the seats. Not bad, huh?
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, all hands on deck right now. We're clocked in.
Hold on.
Hey, yo, chill.
We're gonna go ahead and get started with this front fender here. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one again. Hopefully I have the same luck as the other side. So, yeah. I have a haircut appointment like at 8, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to that. You know, we got Alec over there literally holding it down, so you know, it helps to have some friends that are into cars and have experience with wrapping. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. But just gonna go ahead and go get a haircut right now and then head back. So little haircut intermission. Finished up with the cut. Shout out Steven. If you guys are in the OC or LA area, definitely hit him up. I'll put his Instagram or something around here. Does a great job. I've been going to him for like the past 2-3 years, and even with my new hairstyle, fucking kills it. Let's go ahead and go back to Asher's and see what they are up to now.
Welcome back. Welcome back, honey.
Joik it.
I was saying
chat.
we should just get
Progress is made.
Yeah.
The roof. Hell yeah.
Or whichever.
Hey, my fender garnet. Yeah. This is actually looking really good.
Like if you look at its angle, like, you really see the vision.
Yeah, dude. It's actually pretty fire. Yeah. Let's see what you've been working on, your little side project. Ooh. Okay, Steve Han. How many coats did you do?
3 of the silver, 3 clear.
Shit. Dude, that's looking proper. Good job, dude.
Thank you.
Oh! He's gonna put on his lap. For today's project on the wrap, good progress to say the least. Got the roof done and both the fenders done. Got here around like 5. It's currently 10:53. It's fun. Nothing but vibes here. Make sure you guys stay tuned because for the next video, we're gonna be wrapping the car and finishing it up. From what happened in June all the way up until now, it's good to see all the progress that's being made on the car. And being able to document it is really, really great. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.